Hi everyone, welcome back to Computer Education for Kids. It's been a long time that I haven't come up with any intro videos. So today's topic is related about the processing and the storage devices in a computer, which is meant for class 4. In last videos I have uploaded about the output devices, input devices, which was also meant for class 4. And today's video, it's all about the processing and the storage devices, which is only meant for class 4 of CBSE. Now let's look into that. Which is one and only processing device? It is CPU. What will processing device do? It will process the input, whatever we give to the computer. So CPU is a processing device. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit, and it is called as a brain of computer. What will it do? It will process all the inputs which is given to the computer, and finally it will give us an answer. So processing is done with the help of CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. It is called as a brain of computer. There are three main components in CPU. First one is control unit. What will control unit do? It will control all the activities or all the operations which is done on the computer. It will coordinate various operations which is done on the computer. That is the use of control unit. Next one is arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU. What will it help us to do? It will help us to do all the calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We can do some other logical operations like equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to. All these functions will be done using the arithmetic and logic unit. The third component in the CPU is memory unit. Memory means what is it used for? To store the data and information in the form of instructions. There are two types of memory. One is random access memory, that is RAM, and read-only memory. So what are the three components of CPU? First one is control unit. Control unit, it will control all the operations whichever we do on a computer. Second one is ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. It will help us to do calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, some other calculations like equal to, not equal to, greater than and less than. Third one is memory unit. It is used to store the data and information in the computer. Two types of memory unit is there, that is random access memory and read-only memory. The next part we are going to discuss today is storage device. What is the use of storage device? It will record and store the data and information. Whatever work you do on a computer, it will be stored inside. It can be permanently stored or only for few minutes, that is non-volatile. Non-volatile means for temporary use. There are two types of storage devices, that is primary storage device or secondary storage device. What do you mean by primary storage device? Primary storage device is nothing but which is already present inside a computer. As a part of computer, when you purchase a computer, primary storage device will be inside a computer. Example is RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. These two things will be present inside the computer once you purchase it. Next is secondary storage device. What is secondary storage device? If I want some extra space or extra memory to store, so I will purchase hard disk or I will purchase a compact disk, that is CD, as you know, or else I will purchase a DVD, that is digital versatile disk, or else SD card or flash or pen drive, then floppy disk. All these are examples of secondary storage device. So storage device, it is used to store large amount of data and information. Two types of storage device, that is primary and secondary. Primary examples are RAM and ROM, which is already present inside the computer. Secondary storage device, if you want extra space, we have to purchase secondary storage devices. These are the examples. Now this is a picture of hard disk. This is how the hard disk will look like. This is one kind of secondary storage device. This is compact disk, that is CD, as you all might have seen CDs where you can watch movies. All those things will be stored in the CD. SD and micro SD card, which you use on your phone or tab. Next is pen drive. This is a picture of pen drive or flash drive we use to store the data. At last, it is floppy disk. This is a picture of floppy disk. Floppy disks are already outdated. That means we don't use floppy disk nowadays. Nowadays, we use the other storage devices but not floppy disk. Next part is discuss and learn. Is it possible to work on a computer without the storage devices? Give reasons for your answer. No, it's not possible because we need a storage device to store all the work we do on a computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the information provided in this video was pretty useful. Before leaving, let me remind you to subscribe my channel, hit on the like button if you like my presentation. See you with next upload and another interesting concepts in that.